fact, as you talk about the aspect of one of the key contributors, for our viewers, of course, to better understand that what has also happened is in terms of other directives that has come through. So I request you to stay with me once again as far as how we will, of course, decode that for our viewers. So quickly, let's tell our viewers that in response to the worsening air quality, that is, the Delhi government has suspended physical classes for students. This also includes 10 and 12. The decision follows a Supreme Court order directing all states and NCR to switch to online classes. That is, of course, to protect students, children alike. Now, Delhi Chief Minister Atishi confirmed that physical classes in terms of 10 and 12 will move also to online. Remember, earlier for them it was physically present, but that's been changed. Schools in Gurugram, Noida and Faridabad will also conduct online classes for all students starting today. Kritika, as far as the development, it was the need of the hour. But more importantly, like you were stating initially while reporting, that a lot of the action has been delayed, right? You're already exposing a certain vulnerable age group to the given conditions. And also this directive is just for the next couple of days is what we know before perhaps they will review the situation.
Well, that's right. In fact, for a number of days now, we had been reporting on how nearly half of the stations were already touching the severe to nearly severe levels. In fact, those are the times when we would expect proactive action to be taken. Now, when the air quality has already plummeted, to take action now, definitely, as you said, is coming in a bit late. This does protect children from further being exposed to this very hazardous air quality. Remember, Delhi CM herself had labelled it as a medical emergency, but the medical emergency had been looming for a very long time now. It's not like the officials as well as the politicians were not aware of it. So the action that is coming in is definitely too late. Now, parents are also split with this decision because a lot of them, after COVID, have started saying that online, this shifting to an online mode of education is only adding more strain to the children, is only depriving them of social experiences and also a holistic learning environment. But given that the pollution levels are so severe, they also feel compelled to request the school authorities to also prolong this online period. We've also talked to parents who have in fact told us that it's not like the kids are any better at home, because pollution levels inside our homes also is peaking at the moment. So definitely with the order from the Delhi government, even Noida district as well as Ghaziabad and Gurugram had also followed suit. Yes.